Chelsea, look at me.
Cheers.
Say good morning. How are you?
How are you?
When someone says how are you, you say fine. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. Good job. High five. Well done.
And the happy in the eyes. And the happy
Don't wake your sister up. Where is your daddy? Really? Grandma has gone now. Will you miss her? Will you miss Grandma? Say yes.
Yes.
Who is that? Who is that? Let's see. Big hug. Aww. Elsie baby. Elsie baby. Elsie baby. Elsie mama. The painter will be coming this morning to fix this wall. I mentioned that I will be putting wallpaper here. The wall is just messed up. He'll be coming this morning and he'll also be painting this corner because the last time he was here the paint finished. If you notice, there are different colors. This is the previous one, this is the white, so we'll be painting everything white, and he'll also be painting all the doors black as well. I don't know if you guys already noticed, we moved the bed frame from our room to the kids' room. So Elsie is now used to coming down from the bed, but she's not used to climbing because now the bed is high. She can climb previously, but since we added this bed frame, she's not able to do that, but she can come down either way, so it's safe for her. So we had to move it because I don't like this one again. I don't like this one. I was like, instead of making new one for the girls' room, why not bring this one here? Why we'll make new one for our room? If you get what I mean? Yeah, so the kids can have this one while we'll make a new one for our room. It's time to bait. Say bait.
Bait.
Good job. Elsie, why do you always find it hard to comb your hair? Eh? Come. See this one. You're the one doing yourself. Why are you putting your hand inside her eye? Elsie, come. Yeah, Chelsea, come on, babe. She's not interested.
There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am. Okay, I just saw this woman that sells up with her loudspeaker. So it's what the speaker says, like going up with the boss, and then she's just coming places. This is where workers are to sell in our hood. No, but come in the church. Why? When you go for 1,000. Why? Can't feel any.
So the cry has stopped. You guys will just be bothering me, disturbing me. Eh? You just say you missed your daddy. They are crying because they are hungry. I say make them calm down. Make I make food. I don't make the food in shorts. It's just for you to chill. Eh? Guys keep bothering me. See, food is ready. Food is ready. Oh yeah, Chelsea, sit down. Sit down. Sorry. Elsie, she don't dey cry since because she see new person. As in she dey cry, come dey red joy. Why you cry? As in now, Chaco dey zibo red. Relax. Who this? She's not used to people being around. That's not how to eat it. Maurice bought Oba on his way back. Chelsea likes Oba. She has missed it. It's been a long time we had Oba in this house. Chelsea, that thing you took is too much. What? Mama, take Oba. Cut small. Good job. He said, if you don't take white chop, yummy.
When we first met, I never felt so strong. You said she's eating something.
She don't come out the tip, Mama.
Nah, pick up my brother. They don't eat and now. Make sure she's eating to make you make noise for her to make the chase.
Elsie, you're eating up, Ma.
Like Oba.
Well done. Come out from the sun. Chelsea, come. You say you're taking your sister there now. Elsie. You like saying I want to enjoy sun this morning. Elsie, come. Guys, I brought out this stuff. It used to be here. So I want to use it to for the girls' shoes. So the painter will be painting it black for me. You know I like black and white by now. While this wood will be used to create additional layers because these layers are big. Let me show you what I mean. So you can see these ones are together. So they're going to use this wood to create additional layers here. Else you will fall down. Stop. Is that how to drive it? Is it a horse? See, Chelsea don't they do her own. Stop jumping on that thing. Moreover, that thing is not your size. Chelsea needs help. Everything don't rhyme now. Do I say your pain still so okay. But just touch them for me. Okay. Looking better. Wait, I need to knock this nail inside so that I go paint them. May I bring hammer?
It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn white it up like you. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Gumbo.
Little 9 little glasses, 10 little glasses.
Go Elsie. Go Elsie.
Little 3, little 2.
to this man. We're done with the wallpaper. This wallpaper, when he showed me, I thought it was white, so it was white I wanted. Now it's ash, but that notwithstanding, we'll work with it like that. It's been a long, busy day. Like, my tired is tired. I'm trying not to. Oh, she's awake. Mama, what is it? Is it okay? Oversleep. Well, Chelsea, come, food is ready. Funny thing is, I don't even know if it's hunger that is catching you. Abi, you want to sleep. Abi, you want to ease yourself. Sit down, sorry. Sit down, now hunger. For you to be crying is hungry or hey, one. That's why you need to start expressing yourself so that we'll understand you. It's hot, oh. Let me turn it for you. When you understand what's you and Chelsea, the twin, oh. White and blue. Yes. Guys, we are outside. We are waiting for someone that is bringing a package for me. Babe, do you know what it is? You know what TV? What TV? Pizza. You wish. Bad road. No, let keke come up. Oh. I don't know why they are scared of this road. Chelsea, go back. Go. Stay there. Thank you. So this is actually what I got. Is a cloth for these throw pillows. These throw pillows are from the former house. Maurice got it now that he went to bring the remaining things there. So I requested for the lady to sew the clothes for me. This thing where they no measure do like this, so this one's small. Well, let me try and see if it's going to work. What color is this?
White.
Good job.
Our color specialist is here.
White.
Which one is better? This or this? The round one or the blocked? Which of them? Both of them.
It's not bigger than a mouth.
I also have the starting one then.
It's too big for your mouth.